Ready to transform site planning? In this video, we'll show how Inky makes even massive projects like UC Berkeley simple and actionable. From detailed data to easy exports, Inky has you covered. Let's dive in.
If you go to University of California, Berkeley campus for design and architecture, you come across the need to have site plan. They will probably teach you at school the value of a detailed site plan and how you can go about getting a site plan. Perhaps old way of measuring or hiring someone to do the measurement for you, or various satellite tools that you can manually trace and create a site plan for your property, of your project. Inky now is available to all students free of charge. Basically, with Inky, you can get any site plan within seconds. University of California Berkeley office is huge. Just get the site plan for your school so you can see the value of Inky. You simply go to the project page, type in the address for your admission office. Once the admission office is located, you'll see that it is highlighted in an area. Click on it and simply create a project for this address. You will notice that Inky will start locating various information about the entire campus. This is tens of acres of land, and within a few seconds, Inky will provide you the most detailed site plan ever possible. This enables you to simply focus on the art of design and architecture. It collects information from solar information, wind information, and various other parameters, including roof calculations as it finds them. Its artificial intelligence is enabled to gather all the data and present it to you in a simple-to-use fashion. Depending on the size of the property, it might take up to a minute. But take a look at this project that we just created in about a minute, where we have the complete site details for the entire campus. If you zoom out, you will see the magnitude of this site plan. It's a huge property. You have all of the various elevations. You can change the zoom mode and see it. We have all of the roof lines. We have the information about it. And this was a 407-acre lot. Simply within a minute, you generate a site plan for a 407-acre lot. Just take a look at the details that we have. Now, with the process of recognition for the system, for example, we can go in and ask the system to find all of the hardscapes and all of the tree trunks. You notice that everything is getting highlighted in this scenario. This is the value of Inky. When you want, you can simply go to export that entire site plan with scale to either PDF, SVG, even an AutoCAD file, and use it for your project. I will select PDF, and I will request an export. This also takes a few seconds, perhaps up to a minute. As you can see, it's being generated. Now, this is a 407-acre property. Imagine if you're working for a project that is 10,000 square foot, or half an acre. You don't even have to get up and go to the site to take a look at that project details. With Inky, you have the latest information, the latest data, the latest measurements, and a tons more available to you. In the last few seconds that we were talking, your site plan got generated. Let's take a look at the site plan. This is in the PDF format. It is to the scale. And you can see, we simply now generated a site plan for 407 acres with all of the relevant information in the PDF format. This could have been done in an AutoCAD format, so you can get going with your project. Please visit www.inky.ai and get access to your free version of Inky today.